begin to die inside. It's been an amazing journey. I suffer all the way up. All the way up. All the way up. This is my testimony. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen.
You don't take a chance, you ain't had a chance, you making a plan to lose. Don't need a security blanket or safety, harness abandoned school. Took an advance and paid it back and made an advance and moved. I know how to stand and greet a man whenever he walk in the room. Unlimited bands, come on command, ain't changing my attitude. Latan, you know that I love you forever, could never be mad at you. You ain't wanna win as bad as I want you to win, I had to scoop. Tan and fin inside the bag, I bought you the blast and shoot. King B, I bought you a chain, they making it rain on you. I know that you gotta go hard when they talked about you, I prayed for you. I had my heart scarred by the woman that I used to call my mama. Know if I fuck with you, I'm going to war with God behind you. I been to you, on whom I was talking about, don't fly again. My wing got bruised, healing my wounds, I done got fly again. Now all you hoes, a thing of the past, I can supply 10. Metric ton lows coming in from the island. That bitch you wish she flaw as hell, focus on ass shots. The bitch I'm with the cartel, focus on stash spots. A lot of diamonds, I'm about diving, bird when a chain glisten. Chicago jail, went straight to the cell with all of the gang members. Now my T off Green Street, she one of them gang members. Mama Duck, I love you to death, you one of them gang members. You know when you're a real nigga, you ain't gonna never really get the respect you deserve out here. But for y'all, I rock a lot of pretty fellas.